Okay, I saw this headline.
All right, last one.
I saw this headline, but I didn't actually select it.
Okay.
But I saw the headline. A TikToker who thinks he accidentally ate a $120,000 Walker's potato chip. He's being flooded with comments as viewers call on the brand to pay him anyways. Okay, I guess there was a contest. I'm just going to infer that from the image.
Yep.
Win 250 pounds every hour. And
I think that's a different contest.
Okay, but they're just showing they've had promos where you got to find a certain chip. It's fun. It's a fun game.
Yeah, a heart-shaped chip.
And if you do,
this guy just ate it.
I would
not
eat,
knowing.
Honestly, I would if I would probably eat it too. I mean, I just can't. I don't even know if I would read the bag. Like I probably.
Yeah. Who looks at their chips when they eat it?
I don't think so. Not really. What I eat in a day. The TikToker said he thinks he could have won a competition. TikToker filmed himself eating a heart-shaped potato chip as part of What I Eat in a Day video. He thinks he could have cashed a prize for 120 grand. Okay, can we watch the clip? How heart-shaped does it have to be? Here we go. Oh, that was it? You're going to have to rewind. It was a short moment there.
Yeah, I can't rewind. I don't think I can rewind.
Little snacky while I wait.
But I have the photo here.
Oh, there's a photo of the chip.
Yeah. So what do you think? They actually had to like revert.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but it's also not. I'm going to say no because, and maybe unless you can show me a prize chip from a previous time, I'm actually going to, my main feeling is no because it's like a lot of other chips. Like chips are weird shaped sometimes.
Okay, yeah.
But if this is what if they want to make the game hard, then I guess it would have to be subtle. But how can they identify unless it's like really different?
Yeah.
How can the company identify the true heart-shaped one? Because there's already discrepancies from chip to chip.
Uh-huh.
No?
And I guess you can like maybe manipulate it.
Actually, you know
the
what?
chip in a way, right?
Actually, you know what, Will? It looks like they're showing a heart one on the front there. Right there.
This one? Yeah.
Right above there. It looks like that's a heart shape. I mean, the other half's being covered by his bun, whatever that's about. What the hell's even on his bun?
Barbecue sauce?
That's it? Cheese?
It's a hoagie.
There's nothing on it.
Yeah. Anyways.
You want to move past that detail.
I feel like you can manipulate this chip to look like a heart very easily.
How what do you mean manipulate it?
I don't know. Somehow like sand it or something. The chip. For 100 grand.
We're absolutely idiots. We're complete idiots.
What?
It's not about the chip. It's about the bag. The bag that has the chip in it would have the identifier. Thank you to somebody in chat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and probably there's a few different bags that have ones that sort of look like hearts, and they got people buying up all these bags, but one of them is the real heart one. And then, therefore, they can just say, you don't have the winning bag. So you're probably going to have to hang on to that bag. And he probably, if he still has the bag, he could probably still check, even having eaten it.
So every bag is logged, you think?
It would,
yeah.
The bag would have some
like
identifier.
database?
Yeah, because the chip itself, there's just way too much discrepancy. The chip itself.
Wow.
But it's a crazy promo. $100,000, $120,000 for one chip that might look like a lot of other chips, right?
Oh.
What I Eat in a Day video. This is the guy.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
They seem to laugh it off.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna get
partner.
I don't think he's gonna get the 120K.
You don't think so?
Not gonna lie.
Why not?
I mean, unless he's got the bag, I think that's what it's gonna be. I'm just guessing. Thanks to the suggestion from chat. I think that's what I'm guessing.
Okay. Well, if it's on Twitter or TikTok, it's recorded, right?
The bag?
Yeah.
But is the identifier recorded?
Yeah.
Like, is it on the front there? Can you read it? Is it in the barcode? Is it scanned on the back? Like, a lot of questions here.
Yeah.
Interesting contest, anyway.
Yeah.
I would probably be eating the chip. Will hate to tell you.
Yeah.